What?
Chicken. I love chicken.
Ew.
Really?
Rachel, are you hungry? You hungry?
Mashed potatoes.
Well, as soon as you eat these foods, maybe next week, they'll put you on some more solid foods.
Really? It's in Louisville.
That's not bad. Louisville. Hey, Rachel. October 1st. Listen to me. Listen to me. October 1st. Guess what? Stacy and Ashley are coming to see you. Yep, they're coming to see you October 1st.
Wait, how?
They're coming back to town. They're going to stay here in Indianapolis. Sorry, I couldn't help
What
myself.
about Ronnie and Ronnie?
They're going to a Notre Dame game.
Oh, God. Read this.
I know.
Do you see what it says on the back?
Yes.
Where's your book?
I don't know.
Rachel, where's your binder? It's missing.